Today's date is September 6th, and today is truly a remarkable day in history. On September the 6th, 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. He sailed from Gomera in the Canary Islands, his final port of call before crossing the Atlantic for the first time. Christopher Columbus was a navigator, colonizer, and explorer of Genoa, Italy, whose voyages across the Atlantic Ocean led to general European awareness of the American continent in the Western Hemisphere. With his 4 voyages for exploration and several attempts of establishing a settlement on the island of Hispaniola, it was all funded by Elizabeth I of Castle. He initially started the process of Spanish colonization, which foreshadowed general European colonization of the New World. Although not the first to reach the Americas of Europe, he was preceded by at least one other group, the Norses, who were led by Leif Erikson, who built a contemporary settlement 500 years earlier at Laraza Ox Meadows. Columbus initiated widespread contact between Europe and Indonesia Americas. The term pre-Columbian is also used to refer to the people of cultures of America before the arrival of Christopher Columbus. The name Christopher Columbus is Latin. It's in Latin it's Christophoros Columbus. The original name of the 15th century geologist language was Christophos, pronounced Christophilos. The name is rendered in modern Italian as Christopher Columbus. In Portuguese, it's Cristóvalos Columbus, formerly Cristovam and Christram. In Romanian, it's Christoph Columba, and in Spanish, it's El Christopher Columbus. Columbus initiated his voyage in 1492, and it was a critical time of emerging modern Western imperialization and economic competition between developing kingdoms seeking wealth from the establishment of trade routes and colonies. In the social political climate, Columbus's far-fetched scheme won the attention of many people. Several underestimated the circumference of the earth. He estimated that a westward route from Isabel to the Indies would be shorter than an overland trade route through the Arabia. If true, this will allow Spain to basically conquer the trade route. And it all started because today, September the 6th, in 1492, Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean blue. And that's what makes today truly a remarkable day in history.